Hello everyone, I am joining you this time from a very dark and scary alley. Okay, this is not actually a real alley, but I didn't have time today to go to a real alley. So through the magic of cinema, this is what we have. A couple of years ago, I decided to dedicate the second half of my life to a few things, and one of them is women and girls self-defense. Next week, a lot of women and girls are going off to university. And I decided to look up some statistics. I'd never really looked statistics up before because I knew that this was something that was needed, statistics or not. But what I did find was rather shocking. 11 to 25% of women who go away to university will be assaulted. At the same time, only about 3% of children and youth women are studying self-defense. And when we get into adulthood, we're talking about 0.5%. And this is a percentage of the entire population of Canada. Now, there are probably many reasons why there's such a disparity in the percentage of assaults versus the percentage of women who are actually studying self-defense. I would imagine that one of the large reasons is that it's one of those things that we would just hope is not going to happen to us. But my intention here is not to frighten anyone. It's just to get to the truth. And through the truth, hopefully we'll be able to do something about it. So since so many women and girls are going to be going away to university next week, I've got a crash course in women's self-defense this week. Wednesday the 27th at 10:30 a.m., Friday the 29th at 12:30 p.m., and Saturday the 30th at 1 p.m. This will be 3 hours where I will teach women and girls how to hit really hard, how to avoid getting hit and get out of being grabbed or held, and to be able to fight in a way where escape is always the number one priority. Now, these skills, like any, will only get good with practice. And I am in no way saying that a 3-hour crash course in women's self-defense is going to make you be able to reliably defend yourself. But I will also be showing you how simple and easy it is to practice these things, to be able to get better and better at them over time, and eventually to be able to make sure that when you are out there in the world, you're able to feel a lot safer. And one other thing that we will discuss throughout is the psychology around boundary setting and making sure to be extremely aware of your surroundings so these type of things don't even happen in the first place.